now the evening of Wednesday, December 8th, I believe. We've gotten quite a bit of snow. And as you can see, Superior Avenue is completely filled, gridlock, all the way down. Downtown, uptown, there's no solution. Me and Lucy are just walking here. Hello. And we're gonna, a little emergency vehicle there. We'll keep you updated on our journey if we see anything else exciting. But this is what's going on. Cleveland, December 8th, 2010. First real big snowstorm of the season. And we're back, and I'm giving you a little look through the highway. That is 90 west. Pretty congested. Heading east, not so bad, though slow. We'll turn around to Superior. Whoa, serious good luck. Oh, snow on the ground. Hello, hello. And we will sign off and keep walking. We are now walking down East 30th towards Payne Avenue, heading to pick up Angela. And as you can see, there's still terrible traffic all the way down here. Some emergency vehicles in the distance, and none of these cars have gotten through the intersection. Goodbye. Payne Avenue, complete gridlock, both directions. Walking down 30th now. Here's a nice piece of graffiti. Hello, sir. Panning, panning. Horrible traffic on 30th. Heading up towards Chester. We'll pause and give you a look at Chester in a second. And if you were thinking coming down Chester was a good idea, you were wrong. You're not getting out. These cars over here are spinning. Spin. Here we go. And say hello. Hello, hello, hello. And we're back on the sidewalk. Whoa, it's a madhouse over here. Yeah, not good traction on that vehicle. Anyway, keep going down 30th, and we'll take a break.
This is silly.
I know.
Food?
Hello, we're back again, and we are back heading towards Superior. This is a look at Chester. Hear that honking? Not happy about this asshole right here. Come on, buddy, move it, move it, move it. You can do it. And this is a horrible choice to drive in this weather.
There's only one lane. There's only one lane.
There's only one lane, and we are fucked.
I'm not out to.
And this is back to the evening of December 8th. It's about 7:30 now. Me and Angela just walked back from the supermarket, came over to meet up with Lenny and Busa. And the dogs are frolicking in the snow. They are having a blast.
So are you okay?
Enjoying themselves. Lenny's here sat in traffic for how many hours, Leonarda?
5.
5 hours.
5.5.
Almost 5.5. Miserable day. Miserable day. Back to the dogs. Hey, dogs. Hey, puppies. Whee!